My name is Anthony Carluccio and I am a personal trainer. So I'm 29 now. When I was 19, I fully blew my left knee out, tearing my ACL, MCL, and partially tearing my meniscus. Did 2 surgeries and about 2 years of physical therapy back then that did not help too much. When I was 26 during the pandemic, I gained a bunch of weight, tried to step on a court like nothing happened, and had some more complications and got recommended for 2 more surgeries, but came across Andy at the time. I thought I was good and felt really good, and then would get these arthritic spasms in my knee that would cause me to not be able to walk properly for about 3 weeks on end. And it was my girlfriend that kind of said, this is not normal. We need to see a doctor. And I had a very traumatic first experience with my surgery on my left leg. Hearing surgery again kind of made me pretty nervous. So she found a physical therapist for me. When I was 19, I did PT for about 1.5 years, give or take, on and off. Some rehab prior to my surgery, rehab after my surgery for about 1 year. So I'm a basketball player. I've been playing competitively, travel teams, church teams, varsity in high school since I was like 12 or 13 years old. And I remember being in physical therapy at 19 and coming to the end of my sessions and asking, when are we gonna practice running and jumping and that? And my response from my PT at the time was, oh, you wanna work on that? And I said, yeah, I play basketball. I kinda need to work on that. In the evaluation I did with Andy just about 2 or 3 years ago, it was just the most I've ever felt heard. As a personal trainer, I know what good service looks like. The checkups, the accessibility, just the ability to learn so much. There wasn't much hands-on needed. I wasn't on a stretch out table getting massaged or nothing. For an athlete like me, it was exactly what I wanted. Just non-stop moving, cutting, and getting into my stuff for me. It felt very, very specific. Man, I know it's like very cliche and I know it's very whatever, but meeting Andy, and we met before there was even a Moment Physical Therapy, man, dude definitely changed my life. For a kid like me, dealing with my knee injury for about 10 years now, felt very hopeless and felt like there was no plan. Even to the point to where I thought I needed surgery again about 1 year ago, and going to Andy and Andy just openly telling me, hey, I think you should work with this guy I have, Corey. And Corey, for a kid who thought I was never gonna get on a basketball court, he gave me the belief that I am, and I've been playing basketball without pain now for the last like 2 months. It really did change my life and every approach I take with it.